It all starts with something small. A single coin. A new idea. Or ... A single seed. Our friend, Sparky, has just found one. This seed is special. It's the key to one of the most powerful forces in the universe. Some people call it compound interest. Sparky decides to plant his seed right in the middle of this empty field, patting the dirt down with his little paws. The next day, Sparky returns and ... a plant has grown. And on it, there is one beautiful, glowing piece of fruit. This is the interest. Sparky is so excited, he plucks the fruit and eats it. It's delicious. He wiggles happily. This is wonderful. The next day, he comes back, and the plant has grown one more piece of fruit. He eats that one too! This is simple interest. You get a small, regular reward, but the plant itself never gets any bigger. Day after day, it's just one fruit. Sparky starts to look a little bored. He wants more, but the plant only gives one fruit at a time. He can't grow a forest this way. So Sparky tries a new idea. An idea that would change everything. The next day, when the plant grows a new piece of fruit, he doesn't eat it. He looks at the fruit hungrily. He sniffs it. He almost eats it, ... But then he stops. With determination, he picks the fruit and, instead of eating it, he plants it in the ground right next to the first plant. He reinvested his fruit. The next day, he comes back, and now there are TWO plants, and both plants have grown their own fruit. Sparky's adorable eyes go wide with shock and excitement. He now has 2 new fruits! He quickly plants both of them. The next day, he returns. And there are 4 plants. This ... is compound interest. It's the magic of interest, earning its own interest. His fruit is now making more fruit. From 1 plant to 2 to 4 to 8, then 16. Sparky flies around happily, planting as the grove explodes in a brilliant display of growth. He's no longer in an empty field. He is in the middle of a small, glowing forest. Sparky's forest is growing fast. But for this magic to work, it needs the secret, powerful ingredients. The first and most important ingredient is time. You cannot grow a forest in one day. The magic of compounding is a marathon, not a sprint. The longer you let your forest grow, the bigger and stronger it will become. We see Sparky sleeping, playing, and growing up a little as seasons pass. While his forest grows bigger and bigger in the background, the second ingredient is patience. The temptation to eat the fruit, to take your money out, is always there. But every time you pull a fruit out of your forest, you're not just taking one fruit. You're taking an entire future tree that it could have grown. We see Sparky tempted by a fruit, but he remembers his goal, shakes his head no, and gently pats the ground, signaling he will leave it to grow. And there it is. Sparky's great forest. All grown from one single seed and the 2 magic ingredients, time and the patience to replant the fruit. This is the power of compound interest. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is get wealthy, slowly but surely. Sparky, now the proud guardian of his creation, perches on a massive, glowing tree, overlooking a vast, magnificent forest that stretches to the horizon. He looks at us and gives a happy, wise chirp. The best time to plant your seed was 20 years ago. The second best time, ... is today. Thank you for learning with us! And thank you, Sparky! If you enjoyed this journey, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more adventures.